So here's a quick video about the billing logs. Because the billing logs, of course, is going to be equivalent to the, what's that thing called again? When you, scrubbing. Okay, so when the claims are being scrubbed, the system creates a log file. And the log file is a cumulative, okay? It doesn't renew every time you do a new batch of claims. It just adds to it. And you do have to scroll down if you're looking at the logs when that other window comes up. So if we were to do some batches today, I don't think we've done any. Let me do this. Okay, so here you can see where I got a here. And if I were to do the generate x12 and do the valid, I'm just going to do validate only right now. Then here's where my log file would show up, and I would click on my logs and it would tell me what needs to be fixed. Now again, over the course of time, this log file is going to get longer and longer. There's also an option that you can do let me close this, and then you can do the tab log as well. The tab log just pops out into a new window so that if you wanted to, I think you can take this and drag it out. There we go. And now I can have it in a separate window while I look at this. Or if you have the ability to lock tabs together, you can do that in your browser. So there, it gives you an option of being able to look at the logs without being inside being inside or next to the, what's the thing called again? Billing manager. All right, one of the other things you can do with the log as well, let's see, if I go view logs, that's just going to bring up the little popover window. Whereas if I bring up the log tabs, again, that pops it out over into a separate tab all of its own. Now, the other thing is, like I said, is to clear the log. Every now and then you might want to clear it because you just don't want that running list. You're done with it, a couple of batches. So go ahead and clear your log. And it's going to say, do you really want to clear a log? You can tell it, okay, because I'm done with it. And it's going to say log is cleared. Now, if I were to do the tab log page again, well, there's nothing there because the billing log is empty because I've cleared it. And also, when I run the next batch and say, oh, cancel that a second because I didn't assign, there we go. Let's do it this time, generate x12 and then go validate only. Now I get my claim and then guess what? I have a new log. Okay, so now this log matches the batch that I'm working on, and I can see what's missing. And you see, I got a bunch of stuff that's missing from the system, so I can go fix all those and then come back and test it again. So the next time it's going to happen, it's going to take that and push it down and put on top of that the next time you run the batch, and then it's going to scrub it and then it'll give you a new list, and then you can compare the two. So this is how you can work out and scrub your claims before shipping them off to the clearinghouse. Hope you enjoy it. Talk to you later. Bye bye.